Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your friend Han here, and it is absolutely great to see you here this morning. Now, this morning I have something you absolutely need to see if you haven't actually known this last year, and that is Facebook marketing, right? Now, I got a lot of you emailing about, hey, how do I get it started? Do I need to take the money? What is the most effective Facebook marketing? Here's a great product just for $7. Number one, you'll learn how to using Facebook marketing, okay, if you want to do that. And number two, you count with the POR rights. That means you can position yourself as a Facebook expert and building your email list or shout to your local clients that you are a Facebook expert in Facebook marketing. You even wrote your own book with it, right? Because that's what the POR rights is. In fact, you should get in here, edit the Word document and send to you to the knowledge that you have. But the baseline is there, and you can write it. You can redesign the e-cover to position yourself. Hey, you can put in Kindle. It's a great lead generation, right? So anyway, so this is called Facebook Remarketing 3.0. It came with everything: sales copies, videos, obviously the content itself, and all that stuff. I'm going to tell you more about here in the next couple minutes. This is a $7 product, and it's absolutely no-brainer. So make sure you clean cookies, grab from the link below. On top of that, $7, you're gonna not only get the product itself, we're gonna hook you up with some exclusive bonuses, more about Facebook monetizations, how to run your business. You know, hanging hands, this is gonna be really enhance your Facebook marketing this year, and it's great bargaining at this price. I challenge you to go out there and find any other Facebook, you know, training for this kind of price, and that comes with PR rights, and sales pages and videos and copies. I mean, the copies is like, it sells like a, you know, at least 1,000 or 2,000, and via sales another 1,000 easily, right? So if you've ever launched your own product before, so pretty cool stuff here. I want you to kind of check it out, and if you feel this is the right thing for you to pick it up, make sure you pick up on my link, and so you can get all kinds of bonuses. But for now, let's go check out what exactly is inside this package and what I think is awesome for its price.
Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Facebook Remarketing 3.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Facebook as a remarketing machine for your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Facebook remarketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1, Facebook Remarketing Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is Facebook all about. What is Facebook remarketing? How can Facebook remarketing help your business? Shocking Facebook remarketing facts to consider. Section 2, Facebook remarketing step by step. In videos 5 through 10, we'll talk about Facebook walkthrough, Facebook Ads Manager walkthrough, creating a Facebook remarketing pixel, adding the Facebook remarketing pixel to your business website, custom audiences, creating a Facebook remarketing campaign. Section 3, advanced Facebook remarketing strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about remarketing to your existing customers, remarketing to app users, remarketing to engagement audiences, remarketing to users who never open your emails, using content series to remarket to hard-to-get leads, additional Facebook remarketing tips and tricks. Section 4, additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of Facebook as a remarketing machine on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.
So welcome back, and so you can see, you know, general topic that's discovering here, and just wanted you to see it comes with a lot of different things to get your own product going, basically instantly. So you got a PowerPoint in different format. You can edit very easy, slides ready if you want to kind of read it with your own voice, so you can position yourself as expert. Hey, he's got that ready for you, so you can edit all this out. Or you just read over it, and he has a voiceover as well. All this is pretty much already converting to videos. But the slides is here if you want to edit. This is the fastest way to creating your own product, is using a POR, has a baseline, and put your own unique style into it. It even comes with sales page design, everything all in here, kind of lay it out for you. And the copy is in there as well. Don't think we downloaded, but we got a special free giveaway to JVs, so it's all here. You can edit as well, and banners for JVs. So we just demo some of the graphic samples for you to check out. We got a GIFs, different dimensions. So who is this for? Number one, this is for the people who are looking to learn how to marketing on Facebook the proper way. Okay. And number two, this is people want to build an email list. So if you email marketer, you want to kind of build up a email list of Facebook newbies and trying to learn Facebook. This is great. Number three is a product creator. You actually want, hey, you want to add to your existing membership area, have a new training about Facebook, or you want to launching this on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, have your very own branded product launch. You can have that buyer list built and have that funnel built. This is a great product to pick it out. All right, so this is called Facebook Remarketing 3.0, and what I love about it, you can modify to your liking to make your own unique product. This is a much faster to make your own. To create a course like this, first of all, number one, it costs you time to research, try it out yourself. Number two, it's gonna put you a lot of money to put this together, at least $1,000 or $2,000 to do it yourself. So for $7 today, guys, you can pick all this up. So make sure you pick it up, and don't miss this opportunity. Once it's gone, I don't know when it's gonna come back. Okay, this is your friend Han. Until next time, wish you all the success in Facebook marketing journey, and also in IM journey as well. This is your friend Han. I'll talk to you in the next exciting video. Cheers.